Hi everyone, and welcome to Critter Chronicles. In this video, I'm going to tell you almost everything you need to know about the red kite. In recent years, conservation success stories have been few and far between, but red kites definitely belong on that list. After decades of unwarranted persecution and egg collection, red kites actually went extinct in parts of England and Scotland back in the 1870s. By the turn of the 20th century, only a handful of pairs remained in remote central Wales. But then, things changed. Thanks to increased legal protection, and the release of 6 birds from Wales and 82 from Spain into central England, red kite numbers have soared over